The 3,000 feeding allowance when they don't disburse some month ago, it no reach that they follow helicopter till they come. As they follow the helicopter come, they go run, follow the helicopter, go back to now officers see the chop am. Most of all the whole generals, the soldier when they do the work, they die for miles. They get injury, they go abandon am. All those people in order. They don't use Menduguri operation, take the wrong business. I mean talk no test. Ask them what is happening in Castina. Ask them what are they, the country where they will catch terrorists and take the terrorists to prison, and tomorrow they will release the terrorists. Make una declare me wanted. Make una declare me wanted. I advise una. Make una not just declare me wanted. Make una put ransom. 10 million naira. You know, one of the duty, they hijack public fund. They hijack military property. You know, evidence of that oath, I want to see them. The Shiran wanna take me to. I want to see I want to use the same oath. They wound me, they drag my benefit, they eat my benefit, they